Welcome, today in front of me T-MOBILE Revvl 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel here, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to the settings icon, and here on this down section we can see all of the available icons which we can add. For example, if you want to add the camera access, you should hold it and after that drag it to this up section. Also, for example, let's add the storage icon here and the microphone access. And by the same way, we can remove some icons from here. Just we should hold it and drag it to this down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons, by the same way, you should hold and then drag it. And to save the changes, just click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.